You ever feel like no matter how hard you work, your money just isn't working for you? Maybe you've been trading hours for dollars, grinding day in and day out, but somehow it still feels like you're stuck in the same place financially. Well, here's the truth. Relying solely on active income, your 9-to-5, freelancing, or any job where you're trading time for money is limiting your potential. Imagine if your money could earn more money for you, even while you sleep, travel, or spend time with your loved ones. That's the power of passive income, and the best part is, anyone can start, even as a complete beginner. Welcome to Smart Cash Academy, where we break down complex financial ideas into actionable steps you can actually implement today. Let's dive into the first strategy that's perfect for beginners who want to start small but think big: investing in dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are essentially shares of companies that not only have the potential to grow in value over time, but also pay you a portion of their profits regularly, usually quarterly. Think of it like planting a money tree. Even if you invest a modest amount, say $100 to $500 per month, those dividends start to trickle in, and if you reinvest them, the compounding effect can be incredible over time. For example, if you invest in a well-established company with a 4% dividend yield, $1,000 invested could earn around $40 annually, and as you add more money, that number grows. The steps are simple: open a brokerage account, research stable dividend-paying companies, start small, and reinvest your dividends. Don't worry if it feels slow at first. The key here is consistency. Every little bit adds up, and before you know it, your money starts working harder than you ever imagined. Now, once you have the investing mindset rolling, let's explore something a little more creative: creating and selling digital products. This is where your skills, knowledge, or hobbies can translate directly into income. Digital products can be anything from ebooks, online courses, templates, printables, or even music and graphic designs. The beauty here is that you create it once, and it can sell repeatedly, generating income while you focus on other things. Imagine spending a weekend creating an ebook about budgeting tips or a template for social media planning, then uploading it to platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Udemy. Every sale after that is pure passive income. Beginners often worry about starting, but the truth is, you already have experiences or skills that someone else would pay for. Start small, validate your idea with friends or online communities, and scale gradually. Over time, these small digital products can build a consistent revenue stream that grows as your audience grows. And speaking of building something scalable, print-on-demand businesses are another beginner-friendly option that's gaining massive popularity. Unlike traditional businesses, you don't have to manage inventory, ship products, or handle returns. You design graphics for products like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, or tote bags, and the print-on-demand service handles the rest. Platforms like Printful, Teespring, or Redbubble make this process incredibly beginner-friendly. Here's the practical approach. Identify a niche you're passionate about, create simple designs, or hire a freelance designer for a few dollars, set up your store, and promote your products on social media or through a small ad budget. Initially, sales might be slow, but each sale requires zero additional effort on your part after the setup. With a few hits, you could generate hundreds of dollars each month without touching the products yourself. The key here is persistence and testing different designs and strategies until you find what resonates with buyers. Next up is a method that many beginners overlook, but it has enormous potential when done right: affiliate marketing. If you have any online presence, be it a blog, YouTube channel, social media page, or even an email list, you can earn commissions by promoting other people's products. Let's say you join an affiliate program for a product you genuinely love, like a budgeting app or a course on investing. When someone purchases through your referral link, you earn a commission, sometimes up to 50% or more of the sale. The beauty is that you don't have to create or ship anything. Your role is simply to share helpful recommendations with your audience. Beginners often get intimidated, thinking they need a massive following, but the truth is, even a small engaged audience can start generating income if you provide value and honest reviews. Start by picking products you trust, create helpful content around them, and watch how those commissions start building up over time. Finally, let's talk about the simplest and safest form of passive income that every beginner can implement immediately: high-yield savings accounts or peer-to-peer lending. Unlike traditional savings accounts, high-yield accounts offer interest rates that can double or triple what most banks pay, meaning your money grows while it sits there. Peer-to-peer lending takes this a step further by allowing you to lend money directly to individuals or small businesses in exchange for higher returns, though it comes with slightly higher risk. The key here is to start small, do your research, and diversify your approach. Even if you start with just a few $100s, the habit of putting money to work regularly can teach you financial discipline, build confidence, and show you the power of passive income compounding over time. These safe and accessible strategies are perfect for building a solid foundation while you explore more dynamic methods like investing, digital products, or affiliate marketing. Now that we've covered all 5 beginner-friendly passive income ideas, it's time to put this into action. The most important thing to remember is that passive income doesn't happen overnight, but the earlier you start, the faster your money begins to work for you. Pick one idea that resonates with you, start today, and be consistent. Even small steps, investing a little money, creating your first digital product, or setting up a print-on-demand store, matter more than waiting for the perfect moment. The journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint, and the sooner you start, the closer you get to living life on your own terms. Remember, at Smart Cash Academy, we're here to guide you, motivate you, and help you build the mindset and strategies to make your money work as hard as you do. So take action now, start small, stay consistent, and watch how these passive income streams grow over time, giving you not just extra money, but the freedom and confidence to shape your financial future exactly the way you want it.